So, let's solve this question. This question came in the year 2018. Okay. So, let's solve it. Here you can see that C programming has been given and they are asking for the output to be printed. Okay. So, you see a structure is there. Okay. Out node. The name of the structure is out node. Fine. So, you see in the structure 3 character variables are there. Okay. X, Y and Z. Fine. And after that you see there is a main function here, struct node P. Okay. So the name of the structure is P. Fine. Just like this. And you see here 3 characters are there, X, Y and Z. X, Y and Z. So the characters are 1, then 0, then A plus 2. So what is A plus 2? So here, if you write A within a single quote, it means what? It is a character A. Okay, so in terms of ASCII code, what is the value of A? The value of A is 67. So therefore, this thing can be written as not 67, it's 65. So this thing can be written as 65 plus 2, that is 67. Okay. But here we will not write 67 because here a character is there. Okay. It is character variable XYZ. So here what I will write? I will write what 67 is the ASCII code of which alphabet? C. Because A is 65, B is 66 and C is 67. Fine. So here I will write C. Okay. So 3 nodes are there, X, Y. 3 characters are there, X, Y and Z, and their respective values are 1, 0 and C. Okay. Now let's give the address. Let's say this one is 100. This one is let's say 101, and because we know that character takes 1 byte, and this one is 102. Okay. So now, since let me rough this now. Since it is a node, okay, and this node will have an address. You see struct out node star Q. So it means what? Q is a pointer which contains the address of the node. Okay, it contains the address of the node like this. It is a node. Okay, it itself is a node, and say its address is 200. Okay. So now Q contains the ampersand P. So address of P, that is 200. Fine. So Q contains the value 200. Okay. So now here you see. Now let's come to the next line. Printf %C. So here you see what's written. Star of, then char star, then Q plus 1. So here what's happening, you see, before Q, just see this part. A typecasting has been done before Q, and after that 1 is added to the result. Okay. So here you see a typecasting has been done. It means what? Initially, Q points to the address of this node. What is the address of this node? 200. But after typecasting, Q will point to the character. Because now Q is a character pointer. So it will point to the character. So initially, Q was pointing to this node. But now, Q will go inside this node and will point to the first character. Okay, like this. Now Q will point to here. Here you see X is a character. So Q will point to the address of X. So it means what? Now Q contains the value what? 100. What is the address of X? 100. So Q contains the value 100. Okay. So here char star Q, it will be replaced with 100. Fine. And after that you see 1 is there, plus 1. Okay. And here there was a star. So this is equivalent to star 101. It means what? Plus 1. Just move to the next location. So what is the address of the next location? 101. So I have written here 101. Okay. So star of 101, what does it mean? It means value at the address 101. Okay. So what is the value at the address 101? It's 0. So 0. It means what? 0 is printed here. Okay. So here 0 is printed. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's come here. What does this line print? Okay, let me write here first. So everything is same except here 2 is written. Fine. So now you can see, as I already told you that how we got 100 here. Okay, but in place of 1, here 2 is there. So just write here 2. So 100 plus 2, 102. Star of 102. It means what? Value at the address 102. It means what? C. So here I will write C. Okay. So here C is there. So what? So it means what? 0 and C are printed. So option C is correct. Okay. Option D is not correct. Here you see 0 is written within a single quote. Okay. Here no need to write single quote because already in the printf part %C is mentioned. So %C mentioned means what? Whatever you will print, it will be a character. So here you no need to explicitly write this single quote. You will get wrong answer. Okay. Just write 0 and C. So with this %C, it means that 0 is a character and C is a character. Okay. So option C is correct. Okay. And let me tell you one more thing, that if there were no type casting, then what would happen? Just like this. Suppose, so I hope that till now you got the answer how we got this option C. Okay. But suppose there were no type casting. Okay, just like this. Just like this. See, just remove this part. Suppose they would have only written Q plus 2. Then what would happen? So we know initially Q was pointing to the address of the node, which was 200. So Q plus 1, so Q plus 1, here Q plus 1 means what? Address of the next node. Okay. Q plus 1 means what? Just next node. Address of the just next node. Okay. Q plus 2 means what? Address of, suppose here 3 nodes are there. Suppose this node, and this node. Okay. And suppose Q is pointing to this node. So Q plus 2 means what? This is Q plus 1, this is Q plus 2. So Q plus 2 means what? Address of this node. Okay. So here only one node is there. So Q plus 1 means what? Address of the next node. Okay. So in the next node nothing is there. So we will not get the answer if there would have been no typecasting. Okay. That's why they have done typecasting. so that this pointer will point to the character inside the node. Fine. Okay. So I hope you got the answer. Fine. Okay. Thank you.